Subscribe to our channel Techno Starters and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can install Havoc OS on Xiaomi Mi A2, which is a lot better than the stock ROM. All of the links will be mentioned in the description area. So the first thing that you need to do is download Havoc OS from the link and make sure you have Jasmine Sprout name on it. Don't click on the green button of the download latest version. Instead manually choose from the modified, and you can see at the time I downloaded the latest one was 2019 318. Make sure that is Jasmine Sprout official zip. Jasmine is the code name of A2. So the second thing you need to do, go to the opengapps.org and select ARM64 Android 9.0, and Pico is the bare minimum to get Google Play functionality. It means Google Play Store. Then you need to download TWRP recovery, again the latest one, and the link will be in the description area. You can click on any download link, Europe or America, and download the Jasmine Sprout.img. You don't need to download the zip one, just download the img one. And of course you can use Havoc OS without Google Apps if you want to, and you can manually install them later. So you can see I downloaded that TWRP Sprout image file, and then just turn your phone off and turn it on by pressing power plus volume down key. So doing this will boot your phone into fast boot mode, and you will be able to see MI Bunny on your home screen of your phone. Download ADB and fast boot portable is enough, and move TWRP image file to this folder, as you can see on the bottom of my files. So after that open CMD here. So this is not compulsory to move TWRP Jasmine Sprout here. You can drag and drop if you want, but this will be easy. So type fastboot devices to check and make sure if your device is connected. You can see a code name, which means my phone is connected. You need bootloader and critical partition unlocked to install a custom ROM, and if you don't have your bootloader and critical partition unlocked, don't worry, you can watch any video tutorial on YouTube. This process is really easy, and you need to immediately unlock the critical partition after unlocking your bootloader, or else you will have to lock the bootloader again and unlock it again. So now type fastboot bootrecovery.img, and if that doesn't work, type fastboot boot and then drag the TWRP and drop it in the CMD. Like drag it and then drop it right here and hit enter. What this will do, it will boot your phone into the TWRP recovery, and we are not flashing TWRP recovery, we are just booting into it, which means you can install stock ROM anytime you want to. I did it again with no reason, but you don't need to do it again. Okay, just fast boot and drag and drop that file once, and then just go to your phone. So now we need to format our phone completely. So you can see there are two slots, slot A, slot B. These are two partitions of the storage, and we need to format them all. So select one of the slot and click advanced wipe. Select everything here and swipe to wipe. When it's complete, go back and swipe to factory reset. Again go back and click on format data, type yes and continue. So as I told you before that we need to format data on both slots. So after formatting slot A, change slot B. In the reboot section, click on the slot B and go back. It will show current slot B, but it's not the current slot B yet. What you need to do is reboot to bootloader again. To don't do this, go back and reboot to bootloader again. Bootloader, yes, yes. Swipe to reboot. It's okay. So it again will take our phone into the fast boot mode. We again need to boot twrp using the command as we did. So now you can see our current slot is B. So we need to format this slot as we did with A. So just do as we did before. Select everything, wipe, format data, and factory reset as we did with slot A. So after doing it, go to advanced and go to ADB side load. Yes, ADB side load. Select wipe data, wipe cache. It's not important though, but I recommend you that you should select it and click it. It will keep saying that starting ADB side load, but it is already started. Ignore it. It will just keep saying that. So now go to your PC and type adb side load and drag and drop that twrp file and hit enter if you need to, and it will start the process. As you can see, 3%, 4%. You know, you can install on any slot, it doesn't matter, but you need to format both slots before doing it. And one thing to note is that ROM always gets installed on the opposite slot. Like if your current slot is A, it will get installed on the slot B. And if your current slot is B, it will get installed on the slot A. As I said before, you can install ROM in any slot. There is no difference. I'm telling you the slot thing because the Google apps, the Google apps which we will flash later, get installed on the current slot. If your current slot is A, Google apps will install on the A slot. So that's why I was telling you that ROM gets installed on the opposite slot and Google apps gets installed in the same slot. So we were currently booted into slot B, which means our ROM is getting installed in the slot A. Okay, so we will need to install Google apps like Play Store on the slot A. So my Havoc OS installation just completed. So now it is installed in the slot A because our current slot was B. So now we need to change our current slot to A and then again reboot to bootloader and again run that command to open recovery. Notice one thing that ROM slot always gets changed after to reboot to bootloader and boot to recovery again using that command. Okay, so as I said before, I changed my slot to A and then again rebooted to bootloader from the recovery and then again used that command to boot into twrp recovery. So after you change your current slot to A and reboot to bootloader and then use that command to reboot to twrp again. So then again go to your phone, advanced in the twrp and click adb side load again as we did before. Okay, I'm not showing it again because you don't need to see it again. So now it will say adb running like it did before on the phone. So now extract the Google apps that we downloaded before, Google apps zip. So and type adb side load and then drag and drop that open Google apps zip. Hit enter if it needs. So it will start flashing now. You can see the progress there. It's 9%. I'm pausing it. So after this process is completed, make sure your phone is in the slot A, the slot where you install Google apps. So after this, just restart your phone. It will start rebooting into Havoc OS, and believe me, it's very good ROM. It's better than the stock ROM. Of course, you can install stock ROM anytime you want using the mi flash tool. I accidentally deleted the video where I show you first time I booted into Havoc OS, but don't worry, you don't need to see that. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, especially if you are MI A2 user, Redmi Note 4, MI TV, or any Android TV user. And not just that, I make technology related videos on every important topic. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. That's it. Some other benefits of Havoc OS are its better battery life. You can adjust it in the settings. It controls your CPU. And the other thing is, there is an option to enable camera to API to use Google Camera anytime you want to. And there are so many other features I can't explain right now.